Doing a quick oil change on a 2013 Mercedes Benz CLS 550. Took the oil cover housing off. Now it's time to get to the drain plug. Right over here. Be back in a jiff. Now to remove the drain plug, I will be using a 13mm socket, and we will begin the turn now. All right, now that that's off, here's the bad boy. Well, I need just about 2 hands now, so gotta set the phone down, and we'll see you guys. Hold on, let's see. Try to drop it. Probably could do this with one hand. All right, can't. The phone's ringing. Be right back. Black, grit, and black. Very dirty. Very, very dirty. Yep. Well, that's about it, guys. Then just gonna wait. Let me show you guys the filter. This is the filter I'll be using. This is the old filter. And that's it, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next.